The following tools are used to install the expansion box: inclined cutting machine, angle grinder, electric hand drill, structural adhesive glue and glue gun, scissors. Signal the wing expansion house unfolds and fixes side wall and installs the pull-down belt installation procedure. Place the double wing expansion box on a level floor. Remove all pads on the wings of the box. Open the flanking latch. Floor leveling. Check the waterproof tape part. During the unfolding process, check whether the waterproof tape around the side wall and the front and rear walls has fallen off. Install the pull-down tape. Perform the same operations as installing other parts of the pull-down belt. Open the side wall. Open front wall. Fixed side wall. As shown in the video, it is secured using the M10 screw. Fixed side wall. As shown in the video, it is secured using the M10 screw. Open back wall. As shown in the video, it is secured using the M10 screw. Repeat the above steps to open the box on the other side. Spread the top of the wing and support it with a brace. Open the flanking latch. Floor leveling. Open the side wall. Open front wall. As shown in the video, it is secured using the M10 screw. Open back wall. As shown in the video, it is secured using the M10 screw. After the house is unfolded, remove the pull-down and put the nails. The water inlet and outlet ports are located below the rear of the container. Connect the external power supply located above the rear of the box. Conduct an indoor electrical test. Roof waterproofing procedure. After installing external boxes, attach Apply sealant and install T-shaped rubber strips at the folds of the top two wings of a flat roof double wing house. After installing T-shaped rubber strips, attach butyl tape. Procedure for installing indoor accessories. E. Installation of the skirting line. First, test the butt kickers and measure the required dimensions. Cut the material according to the measured size. Fill the back of the skirting line with nail-free glue. As shown in the video, install the skirting wire to the appropriate position. As shown in the video, when the size of the skirting line is not enough, the connector is used for splicing. As shown in the video, use the connector to connect the corner of the skirting line. The other parts of the kick line are the same as before. R. Installation of the ground buckle. Cover your back with nail-free glue. Paste flat along floor creases and press firmly. The operations for other parts of the ground buckle are the same as before. 3. Wall shade angle installation. Measure the required dimensions of the negative angle line as shown in the video. Make a cut. Use high viscosity tape to paste on the back of the negative corner line. And filled with structural glue. As shown in the video, install the negative angle line to the appropriate position. The other parts of the negative angle line are the same as the previous operations. 4. Installation of top corner line. Measure the required dimensions of the top corner line as shown in the video. Make the cut as shown in the video. When cutting the top angle line, the left 45-degree angle is cut down to the yin angle line, and the remaining part is the yang angle line. After the right 45-degree angle is cut down, it belongs to the upper zenith angle line, and the remaining part belongs to the inferior zenith angle line. Use high adhesive tape to attach to the back of the top corner line. And filled with structural glue. As shown in the video, install the top corner wire to the corresponding position. You can cut a small mold and use the other side of the small mold to find. The other parts of the top corner line are the same as the previous operations. 5. Installation of top buckle. As shown in the video, attach high adhesive tape to the back of the top buckle and filled with structural glue. As shown in the video, install the top buckle to the corresponding position. The operations on other parts of the top buckle are the same as before. Once installed, use a foam strip or other object to support the column top buckle. 6. Installation of the wall buckle. As shown in the video, attach high and filled with structural glue. As shown in the video, install the wall buckle to the corresponding position. The installation of the rear ceiling wall panel. As shown in the video, install the rear ceiling wall panel in the corresponding position and use structural adhesive to seal. After the installation is completed, the structural glue is applied in all directions. As shown in the video, kick the footline to apply structural glue. As shown in the video, structural glue is applied to the negative corner line. As shown in the video, the top corner line is glued. Install steel mesh window screens. As shown in the video, install the diamond screen to the appropriate position and secure it with screws. Installation complete. Procedure for installing cabinets and hanging cabinets. As shown in the video, place the cabinet in the corresponding position. After the cabinet is put in place, it is necessary to make structural glue around the countertop. Installation of hanging cabinet. The upper part of the cabinet needs to be fixed with nails. Indoor and outdoor effects are completed.